Welcome to the project demonstration of solar based wireless electric vehicle charging system. In this project we are using step down transformer and also two bridge rectifiers. Here we can see the one is here and another one is here, and also using 12 volts 1 amp battery and track PCB, and also using solar panel. This one is a electric vehicle transmitter coil and another one is a electric vehicle receiving coil which is placed in electric vehicle, and also here we can see the light for the charging indication. Now we will see the demonstration. If you want to charge this 12 volts 1 amp battery using this transformer, so we will give a power supply through this power cable which takes 230 volts of AC. So it will take 230 volts of AC from the primary winding and it will step down up to 12 volts from this secondary winding. The secondary winding will be given to this bridge rectifier. So we know that bridge rectifier will convert AC to DC. It will convert up to 12 volts of DC. That 12 volts of DC will be given to this track PCB. Through track PCB, this battery will be charged. And also another side we are using solar panel which is given to this bridge rectifier, and also it will give a charge to this battery. So we are using bridge rectifier because solar power voltage is more than battery voltage. Even that time this battery voltage will become this side, so it may causes damage for this solar panel. So that's why we are using bridge rectifier for the reverse current protection. So let me see. So if you want to on this system, we need to give a power supply from here. Have to give switch for this from battery, and if I give this switch, and also if a vehicle is come nearly to this charge station, so here we can see it is charging. If a vehicle move from the coil, now it will be not charged. If it is come again near to this coil, it will be charged, and we can see the light indication also. So here also we can see, so solar power panel is producing some amount of power which is given to this board. Here we can see the light indication. If I remove this one, so light will be off slowly, and again if I give this one, so we can see the small amount of light. And also I am giving the power supply through 230 volts. So now here we can also see the light indication, which means the battery gets charged. In this way solar wireless electric vehicle charging system will be works. Thanks for the watching.